Hey, good morning, everybody. This is your girl, Candrea Fion. Hope everyone's enjoying their morning today. Listen, do you work during the day and ever wondered when is the best time to drink a detox tea? Or if you're thinking about detoxing, have you ever been a little confused on when is the best time of the day to detox? Okay. In a way, detoxing has become the liquid version of waist trainers, as well as a way to tackle chronic diseases and other health problems, just to name a few issues. And so if you've been detoxing or just thinking about it and you want to actually stick around, because I'm going to share with you when is actually the best time of the day to drink your tea. Okay? So let's get right to it. I want to thank you YouTube viewers for watching this morning. Hope everyone's enjoying their day. All right, let's get right into it. So you may see me looking at two different camera views. So I'm doing a double recording here. Now, if you've been detoxing or thinking about detoxing, there are, though there are many ways to detox your body, knowing the best time of the day is important so you make sure that you're getting the most out of your detoxing, right? And so there are many benefits of drinking herbal tea that helps you in waste management. And I didn't say waste management. It helps you with your general health and well-being for your body. And so basically, to help you get the most out of your detoxing, detoxing also helps you bring a glow to your skin. It'll actually slow down the aging process, and it actually reduces your cholesterol levels in the body as well. So we have a divine tea that offers many of these benefits along with many others, and it actually has no caffeine, okay? It tastes really good, and all the health and weight conscious people, they're out there crazy for it, you guys. So it's really some good stuff. Now, you can consume the tea whether it's hot, warm, or cold. It's preferably your choice, whatever works for you. Most people feel that it works best for them when it's drinking warm. And so it just depends on, your own method. But again, the recommended dosage for the tea is you want to have 8 ounces with your breakfast, 8 ounces with your lunch, and 4 ounces with your dinner. And you'll actually find those instructions on the back of your package on how to prepare and how to drink the tea. But there is a certain type of day. The best time to detox is actually before bed. And the reason why I say that, especially if you're a first timer, if you're first starting out and you have like a day job and you don't really know too much or aren't familiar with detoxing process, excuse me, I would definitely recommend that you start detoxing before you go to bed. The reason is it's a great way to end your day, and it puts your body into the fat burning mode as you sleep. For those of you who have trouble going to sleep, you don't sleep well through the night, this tea will also, detoxing at night will also help you remedy that. It'll help give you some sleep aid for that, so you can get to sleep a lot sooner and rest well through the night. Now, it also helps aid digestive function as well, so you get a head start like the following morning. So like by the time you get up, right, if you drink your tea at night, by the time you wake up in the morning, you'll feel refreshed. If you have to go, like say if your body's detoxing out all the toxins and the waste that doesn't belong or that the body cannot use, at least you'll have a fresh start as early as possible in the morning to flush it out, if any that you need to flush, so that way you can go about your day and even go to work and not have issues. So you want to drink your tea at night, and as soon as you achieve your bowel regulatory, oh man, I can't say that word. So anyway, however you say the word regular, once you get on a regular bowel movement process, then that's when you can begin to increase your intake or advance to drinking it more during any time of the day as you see fit, or as you see, as it pleases you. But you want to just keep in mind that, again, the suggested use by the manufacturer is at least 20 ounces daily. Okay, so be mindful of your suggested use. Now, as with any detox, you want to drink water as well. I notice a lot of people don't really drink water and they wonder why they experience cramping and stuff like that. You want to drink water when you drink anything that's a detox. And you want to try your best to use alkaline water to get the best results if that's possible. You can find that at your local store. So like if you're taking medication, also I want to make mention, if you're taking medication, you're thinking about detoxing or you are detoxing, you can actually consume your tea. I would wait again at night at least an hour before or after you take your medication, okay? It's possible that the tea could actually flush it out from your system if you drink it too soon, okay? So you also want to eat, and another thing you want to do is eat more fat. You want to consume more fat. A lot of people think that consuming fat or getting rid of fat intake is the key, but it's actually not, because your body needs those fats to thrive and burn energy. So you want to look at the good fats though, and eat more of it. Now, if you feel like nausea or upset stomach at all, then you just start drinking it every other day until your body and your system starts to get used to it. You don't necessarily have to drink it every single day. Just drink it, maybe skip a day, and then drink it at night before you go to bed. Okay? So that way, if you're detoxing, at least it'll be through the night. You go through whatever it is process you'll go through, and you'll be good by the time you wake up in the morning and feel so all nice and refreshed. Okay? And relieved. Alright, so the next time you're craving any sweets or you can't even get to sleep at night, just opt for a nice, soothing glass of divine tea instead, you guys. And you'll feel really glad that you did by morning. Okay? So that's all I have. Have you tried the original detox tea yet? If not, then you must click the link in the comments. I will leave the link for you to view in the comments where there's a special offer going for people who's either wanting to try a detox or never tried it or just want to get back on it. So make sure you check that out. Also, P.S. I've got a special gift in the comments as well, or it'll be somewhere in the vicinity. I'll leave a link. You can actually get access, free access. It will be for at least 30 days or so. But I do know there's a limited cap on how long you'll have free access. It's a really great training. It's like a self-hosted 3-minute professional WordPress blogging program. And you will get free access to it in just one click, you guys. So if you want to know and learn how to become a better blogger, if you want to learn how to write stories, how to post or write books and stuff like that, that'll be something you definitely want to check out. And like I said, I will leave your complete access to it in the comments or somewhere in the description where you can click on it and get in. You want to make sure that you use a valid email, your primary email address. I do believe you will have to do that. I'm not sure. But check it out, you guys, while it's available for free. Alright? So that's all I have today. So don't forget, the best time of the day to detox is a recommended nighttime before you go to bed. Alright? So this is Candrea Fion. Until next time, love and peace. Bye.